People like to go fast. They like fast cars, fast food, and most importantly, fast communication. And for that we can thank electronics, which harnesses the power of flowing electrons. But electrons can only go so fast. So, what's faster than an electron? Well, a photon, or light. Light is the fastest thing in the universe, period. And photonics is the rapidly growing field that uses light to transmit information. But that extra speed can be hard to control. Light is excellent at traveling in straight lines, but not so good at turning left or right. My research is making circuits designed to steer light. This is done by making precise patterns of silicon that bends light around corners. So what does this mean for me and you? Well, sensors for self-driving cars, quick and accurate blood tests, and yes, faster internet speeds. With photonics, we're literally innovating at the speed of light.